Welcome back to the channel, and I want to thank everyone for all your support and comments yesterday regarding this whole Mattel Etsy thing. I have read through all your comments, and some of you have contacted me privately regarding it could be a naming issue. And prior to actually reading those comments and contacting you guys, I did actually go through and rename all of my titles just in case I was, in the wrong. I suppose I wasn't away. I actually, you know what, I actually didn't even think about it. I just called the title that and just thought about it. The weird thing that actually happened was, with this email, was I have 29 products that are Hot Wheels based, and they flagged those and sent links to them, but only 2 of those 29 products did they delete off my Etsy store due to copyright violation with, I don't even know what. I'm assuming it is intellectual property. Does that make any sense? But Hot Wheels, they don't make these products that I make. They don't make the 22.5 little adapter, and they don't make a 90-degree adapter like I also have designed. So it's just so weird and random that they've chosen out of the 29 2 which are not even on the radar at all. Do you know what I mean? I make the dual Hot Wheels 180 and some other bits and pieces, and they didn't flag that. So some of you mentioned, it just could be a bot. Do you know what? It just could be. It just could be one of the random bots they sent out. And after 2 years of printing, that's finally connected the dots and sent me an email. So the products that they have flagged and deleted off my Etsy store, I've renamed and I've put it back up there. So we'll see what happens. And if they come back and flag that, well, I don't know what I'll do next. Probably just delete my Etsy store and move on to Shopify, or maybe even back to eBay. But eBay was a pain, I tell you, man. And the fees are all the same across these sort of platforms. Etsy are like outrageous. I'm not even too sure what they are now. It's like 15 or 18% they charge per sale, and they also take a percentage off the postage. Can you believe that? That's unbelievable. Shopify, I think, are sort of similar, and eBay are similar with their pricing plans with using their platform. Now, I could go through and set up my own website and all of that, but it's just something I don't want to do. And the reach that these platforms give, like Etsy, eBay, and Shopify, they're very powerful in the web, domain, so they can sort of push your products out there. And I'd like people to see my products and purchase them. But anyway, so that's where we are today. And just I want to say thank you again for all your comments and support. Names are changed, and we'll just see what happens. All right, have a good day wherever you are.